Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to turn ChatGPT into your personal money-making machine. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just want a side income, you'll get step-by-step methods to start earning with AI right away. I've tested these strategies myself. They're simple, practical, and anyone can use them. We'll cover 5 powerful ways to make real cash with ChatGPT, so stick around for a surprise at the end. Let's jump in. What's the fastest way to start earning money online with ChatGPT? If you're looking for a side hustle or even a full-time income, you'll want to pay close attention to this method. The answer is freelance writing and content creation. This is one of the most accessible and in-demand opportunities out there. And with AI tools like ChatGPT, it's easier than ever to get started, even if you don't have years of writing experience. Think about it. Every business, from startups to established brands, needs a constant stream of content. That means blog posts, website copy, email newsletters, product descriptions, and of course social media posts. The demand is massive and always growing. With ChatGPT, you can generate high-quality drafts in just minutes. What used to take hours or even days can now be done in a fraction of the time. This gives you a huge productivity advantage over traditional writers. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Sign up on popular freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Take the time to create a standout profile that highlights your skills, your unique approach, and your ability to use AI tools for faster delivery. Step 2. Offer specific, attractive gigs. For example, you could list services like 5 SEO-optimized blog posts in 24 hours, or 10 catchy social media captions for your brand. The more specific and results-oriented your offer, the more likely clients are to hire you. Step 3. Use ChatGPT to generate your first drafts, but don't stop there. Always refine the content with your own voice, add personality, and double-check facts. This is where your human creativity and attention to detail make all the difference. The real secret to success? Don't just copy and paste what the AI gives you. Add your unique perspective, insights, and style. This extra effort is what sets you apart from the competition and keeps clients coming back. By leveraging AI, you can handle more projects at once, deliver faster, and increase your earnings. Many freelancers charge anywhere from $20 to $100 per piece of content, depending on the complexity and length. As you build your reputation, you can scale up quickly and even raise your rates. Here's a real-world example. Imagine a client needs 3 unique product descriptions for their new line of coffee. Instead of spending hours brainstorming and writing, you can use ChatGPT to generate creative drafts, then polish them to perfection. Simply prompt ChatGPT for the initial drafts, review and enhance the content, and deliver the finished product to your client in record time. This efficiency means you can take on more clients and grow your business faster. To maximize your income, offer tiered packages, basic, standard, and premium. Each level can include more content, faster delivery, or additional revisions. This not only provides more value to your clients, but also allows you to earn higher rates for your expertise. As your workload increases, you can even start outsourcing editing or research tasks to other freelancers. Eventually, you could manage a small team and turn your solo operation into a full-fledged content agency powered by AI. Remember, let ChatGPT handle about 80% of the heavy lifting, but always perfect the final 20% yourself. This balance ensures quality and keeps your clients happy. To recap, get started by joining a freelance platform, create high-value gigs, use ChatGPT for fast drafts, and always refine your work for the best results. Consistency and quality are key. This is truly one of the quickest and most reliable ways to start making money with AI, even if you're just starting out. Don't wait. Businesses everywhere are searching for talented content creators right now. Your skills, combined with AI, can help you stand out and succeed. Ready to take your earning potential to the next level? Let's move on to the next method and see what else is possible with AI. Are you searching for a way to earn steady, recurring income that grows month after month? Imagine waking up to payment notifications and seeing your income reports steadily rise, all while helping businesses thrive. Here's a powerful strategy. Build AI chatbots for businesses of all sizes. In today's digital world, companies are desperate for ways to automate customer service and boost efficiency. Think about it. Every business, from local shops to online stores, gets bombarded with the same repetitive questions every day. Customers want to know about store hours, return policies, product details, and more. You can create a smart chatbot that answers these questions instantly, 24/7, using advanced AI like ChatGPT. No more missed messages or frustrated customers. Step 1. Learn the basics of chatbot building with user-friendly, no-code tools like VoiceFlow or BotPress. These platforms make it easy, even if you've never written a line of code before. Step 2. Offer your chatbot service to local businesses, online stores, or even professionals like dentists and salons. Pitch them a 24/7 virtual customer service agent that never sleeps, all for a simple monthly fee. You're not just selling a chatbot, you're selling time, better customer service, and a steady stream of new leads. Businesses love solutions that save them money and help them grow. Set up your chatbot to collect emails, book appointments, or even process simple orders, directly boosting your clients' revenue and making their operations smoother. Step 3. Charge a monthly subscription, typically between $100 and $300, for ongoing maintenance, updates, and support. This creates a reliable, predictable income stream for you. Just 10 clients at $200 a month means $2,000 in mostly passive income. As your client base grows, so does your financial freedom. To scale quickly, create customizable chatbot templates for different industries, like restaurants, gyms, or real estate. This lets you onboard new clients faster and with less effort. Each new client takes less time as you refine your process and automate repetitive tasks. Your business becomes more efficient with every project. As AI technology keeps improving, your chatbots become even more powerful and valuable to your clients, offering smarter, more personalized responses. Deliver real results, and businesses will stick with you for years, turning one-time projects into long-term partnerships. This is a scalable, high-margin business model with huge growth potential. You control your time, your income, and your future. Start with just one client, build your system, and watch your chatbot empire grow, one satisfied business at a time. Ready to take action and unlock your next big strategy? The chatbot empire awaits. Are you in? Love social media? Ever wondered if you could turn all those hours spent scrolling, liking, and sharing into a real income stream? Well, you absolutely can, and you don't need to be a marketing guru or influencer to get started. Get paid to manage social media accounts using the power of ChatGPT and other AI tools. It's never been easier to break into this booming industry, even if you're just starting out. Every brand, from small local shops to big online businesses, needs consistent, engaging posts to stay relevant. But most business owners are overwhelmed. They don't have the time, energy, or creative spark to keep up with daily posting. Step 1. Pick a niche that excites you: health, travel, tech, food, fashion, or even pets. There are endless possibilities. Focusing on a niche helps you stand out and attract clients who want someone who really understands their audience. Become the go-to expert in your chosen field. When you specialize, clients trust you more and are willing to pay higher rates for your expertise. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm endless post ideas, write catchy captions, and generate trending hashtags. No more writer's block or hours spent staring at a blank screen. You can even have ChatGPT whip up video scripts, blog outlines, or story ideas in seconds. It's like having a creative partner working 24/7. With these tools, you can plan out an entire month's worth of content in just one afternoon, freeing up your time for more clients or your own projects. Step 3. Offer simple packages to manage accounts for coaches, gyms, local stores, or online brands. Your packages can include content calendars, daily posts, and scheduling, everything a business needs to stay active online. With an efficient workflow powered by AI, you can handle more clients than ever before and charge premium rates. Many freelancers charge $200 to $500 per month per client, depending on the services offered. Just 4 clients at $300 each brings in $1,000 or $1,200 a month, and that's for just a few hours of work each week. Scale up and your income grows fast. Use scheduling tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to automate posting. Your client's social media runs on autopilot, and you can focus on growing your business. Want to earn even more? Upsell premium packages, offer community management, create engaging video content, or run ad campaigns for your clients. With ChatGPT and automation, you can scale from a solo freelancer to a full-blown agency, taking on bigger clients and larger projects. As you grow, outsource design, video editing, or engagement tasks to other freelancers, you become the strategist, focusing on client relationships and business growth. AI is your creative engine, helping you deliver high-quality content faster than ever before. This is how you turn a simple side hustle into a thriving social media empire, building your reputation and income month after month. Businesses want real results: more followers, more engagement, and more sales. With AI, you deliver those results faster and more efficiently. Start Start pitching your services today. Reach out to local businesses, network online, and watch your client list and your income grow. Next up, discover how to create passive income streams with online courses, so you can earn even while you sleep. Want true passive income? Use ChatGPT to create and sell online courses. Pick a topic you know: gardening, video editing, or even ChatGPT itself. The more specific your course, the easier it is to sell. Step 1. Choose your topic and target audience. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to outline modules, write scripts, create quizzes, and draft marketing copy. It's like having a team of course creators for free. Record your videos using the AI-generated scripts. Step 3. Upload your course to Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. These platforms handle payments and hosting. Once published, your course sells 24/7, generating income while you sleep. Sell 20 copies at $50 each, that's $1,000 a month. If it takes off, the sky's the limit. Use ChatGPT to research trending topics and ensure demand. Build a library of courses for multiple streams of income. You're creating digital assets that work for you long-term. Leverage AI to produce high-quality courses faster than ever. Let's see how you can help e-commerce stores next. E-commerce is booming, and every product needs a killer description. Most sellers don't have time or skill to write persuasive copy. Step 1. Find Shopify or Amazon sellers with weak descriptions, reach out and offer a free sample rewrite. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate product descriptions, ad copy, and email campaigns. Then polish for quality. Offer bundled packages, product descriptions, email newsletters, ad copy. For product descriptions, charge $10 each. 100 products is a $1,000 project. For ongoing marketing, charge a monthly retainer. During peak seasons, raise your rates. Demand is highest. Start with one project, build trust, and upsell more services. Use ChatGPT to process dozens of descriptions a day. Impossible for a solo writer. You're not just writing, you're helping businesses boost sales. Show clients your copy, increase conversions, and you'll become indispensable. Scale by creating a system. Get product info. Generate drafts. Edit. Deliver. Turn small projects into long-term, high-paying relationships. E-commerce sellers need you. Start reaching out today. Let's wrap up with some final tips. Always review AI content before sending. Your human touch is key. Start small, build credibility, and focus on client relationships. Use AI as a tool, not a replacement for your creativity. We covered 5 ways to make money with ChatGPT. Pick one and take action. Like, subscribe, and comment which method you'll try first. This content blends AI with real expertise to help you succeed. Now stop watching. Go use ChatGPT and unlock your income potential. Let me know if you need further tightening or want to focus on specific scenes.